This is a really versatile, really handy set of two. This is a hanging storage basket, used as a shelf or like a little basket. But this is great to be able to use really anywhere in the house. In the kitchen is where I'm going to be showing you how I'm using it. And you can install it in two different ways. It comes with the hardware needed. It comes with anchors and with screws that you can use along with some extra little hooks. And then so you can install it by with you're doing drywall, tile going through something, you can put in the anchor, put in the screw, and then have it go through this back hole so that it can just be mounted on a wall. It also comes with two of these adhesive backings. So all you gotta do is peel off this protective layer on the back, stick it to any surface you want, whether it be a backsplash, a tile, wherever it might be that you want to put it. Have it so that the brackets, these little hooks, are upright, and you can stick it wherever you want, leave it on there, make sure it's a clean, dry surface, and then you can then place this is right over the hook, just like so, and it clicks in really well, and then click it in there and you can hang it just like that on any surface you want. Can be hanging anywhere. So great for spices right above the oven, so you have it really close by. Maybe you have something else that you want to hang nearby. Maybe you want to put it on the side of your fridge over here, and you want to be able to have extra space in your kitchen, and you want to hang it. You could put this on the side of your fridge. You could put it underneath of a cabinet. You could put it really wherever. It's really versatile where you could use these, in the kitchen, in the house. But they're really great, and they can be installed in two ways, either with the provided hardware or with the provided adhesive panels. So really great, really super easy, and high quality material as well. Highly recommend it. Thanks to the brand for providing it for me.